അലൈക്കും വറഹ്മത്തുള്ളാ. മണ്ടന്മാർ ലണ്ടനിൽ എന്ന് മുമ്പെന്തോ ഏതൊരു സിനിമയുടെ പേരോ എന്തോന്നറിയില്ല. സത്യത്തിൽ ഇപ്പോഴാണ് ശരിക്കും മണ്ടൻ ലണ്ടനിൽപ്പെട്ടത്. ഇന്ത്യ രാജ്യത്ത് ജനാധിപത്യ രാഷ്ട്രമാണ്. ഇവിടെ മതമുള്ളവനും മതമില്ലാത്തവനും എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യമുണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ അതെന്ന് കരുതിയിട്ട് അള്ളാഹുവിനെയും മുത്ത് ഹബീബ് റസൂലുള്ളാഹി സ്വല്ലല്ലാഹു അലൈഹി വസല്ലമ തങ്ങളെയും പരസ്യമായി തെറി പറഞ്ഞും ആക്ഷേപിച്ചും നടക്കുന്ന ലോകത്തെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ വർഗീയവാദിയും തീവ്രവാദിയുമായ ആരിഫ് ഹുസൈന് ഇസ്രായേൽ അവൻ്റെ രാജ്യമാണ്, അവൻ പറയണതൊക്കെ അംഗീകരിക്കും, അവർ ഇസ്ലാമിന് ശത്രുക്കളാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് അവിടെ പോയപ്പോൾ അവിടുന്ന് ആട്ടും തുപ്പും കേട്ടിട്ട് വേറെ ലണ്ടനിലേക്ക് വന്നു. ലണ്ടൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പാശ്ചാത്യ രാജ്യമാണല്ലോ, അവിടെ എല്ലാം അംഗീകരിക്കും വെച്ചിട്ട് അവിടെ പോയി നോക്കി, അവിടെ നിന്നും ആട്ടി വിട്ടു. നാണക്കേട് ദുന്യാവിൽ അനുഭവിച്ച ഒരേ ഒരു വ്യക്തി അള്ളാഹുവിൻ്റെ റസൂൽ സല്ലല്ലാഹു അലൈഹി വസല്ലമ തങ്ങൾക്കിറങ്ങിയ വിശുദ്ധ ഖുർആനിൽ സ്വന്തം മകളെ വിവാഹം കഴിക്കാമെന്ന് എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ടെന്ന് എവിടെയാണ് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളതെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചതോടുകൂടെ ആരിഫിനെ പെട്ട്. ഇത്രയേറെ വൃത്തികെട്ടൊരു സാധനം ഈ ലോകത്തുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, ഈ നമ്മൾ പറയാറുണ്ട് നായ പന്നി ഇതൊക്കെ നജസ്സാണെന്ന്, പക്ഷെ അതിനേക്കാൾ വലിയ നജസ്സായ ഈ ആരിഫ് ഹുസൈൻ അവിടെ പോയി പെട്ടത് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം, എല്ലാവരും കേട്ടതാണ്. പക്ഷേ ഇസ്ലാമിൻ്റെ ഒരു ശത്രു, ദീനിൻ്റെ ശത്രു, ഈ നാട്ടിൻ്റെ ശത്രു ഒരപകടത്തിൽ പെടുമ്പോൾ സന്തോഷിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി അക്കൂട്ടത്തിൽ ഞാനും പങ്കുചേരുകയാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ ഈ വീഡിയോ ഒന്ന് കാണുക.
So-called. Why are you ignoring?
When we upload this, I will show you the proof from Quran which lets you marry your own child.
Okay. Okay. Show me now. Yeah. Show me now. Show me now. Show me now. Of course, I'm talking to you people as well. He's lying. He has nothing from the Quran. Show me now.
He won't lie. He won't.
Show me now. They're waiting. They're waiting for your proof.
I will show you.
Adnan, don't let him skip.
Okay. You claimed you can show from the Quran that we can sleep with our children.
watch my channel.
Oh no. Right now. Right now. Right now.
That's my way.
Wait.
Channels as well, then.
I've been watching your videos.
It is like
Yes,
being
so
a
let's talk.
Hitler
I don't see a lot you deflecting. Rather, you debunking atheism.
Just deflected. That means what?
You just
No, he
take the
answered the
Quran,
question.
you
I've
just
answered the
take
question.
Quran,
I've answered the question directly. Head on. Head on. He's lying.
He asked me.
He has nothing but lies. He has nothing but lies.
The first question he was
I have an idea. Can we sit on chairs, put the cameras there, and have a
Time it,
calm
time it.
conversation?
Time
And
it,
time
time
it.
it, yeah.
1 minute each.
How about that?
Or 2 minutes each.
Actually, you can do it here. Time it.
Time it. 2 minutes each.
And whoever doesn't answer the question has lost. That's
Yes.
the argument.
nothing like that.
Yeah.
No, no.
It has- you have to give
2
answers.
minutes. If you don't answer the
You have to
question,
prove your
then you
point.
lost that point.
You have to give evidence.
No, the thing is,
Why can't you
Let
challenge
all
right
the
now?
Indian Muslims and non-Muslims see that these people, when they are faced with questions, they have nothing. When they face informed Muslims, they have nothing. They will make dirty claims online. Islam says this, Islam says that. But when a Muslim is standing in front of them with education and information, they have nothing. They will run. They don't want to have a conversation.
I asked you a second question. That is, if that is the case, what lets you marry
1
your
minute, 30
child
seconds.
in Islam? And you just made a statement that is false in Islam. That's what you said. So why? We have the verses in Quran itself which says, and even in
Say
other,
what?
in other
1 minute, 20
that
seconds.
you can marry your own child if that girl is born out of wedlock. Why you can do that in Islam?
Brilliant. No problem. That's his time.
He
Now
asked
my
the
2
question with
minutes.
a question.
My 2 minutes without interruption. Second point he raised. Your Quran says you can sleep with your child. If the wait, yeah. Your Quran, wait. You when you marry, you sleep. Do you have a wife?
No, the
Do you have a
word
wife?
Islam is marriage.
Do you have a wife? Do you
word
sleep with her?
Islam, the word
Do you sleep with
Quran is
her?
marriage.
Okay, clearly you sleep with your wife, right? If you're married. So he claimed the Quran says you can marry your child, right? I want him to now. If you are fair, everyone listening, I want him to pull out the ayah from the Quran, the verse where it says you can marry your child. If he does not pull that out, then know that this guy is not only a lame Zionist, a lame BJP apologist, he's a liar also, like the BJP propagandists and all the Zionist scumbags. He's a liar. He's a liar who's lying upon our faith because they can do nothing but lie. And today is his exposure day. All the Muslims of India, spread this. This is janazah for this guy who claims things online, and when he's faced with challenges, he has nothing. He's going to pull out the ayah from the Quran now and time up.
1 second, you don't run away.
No, it's time.
May time up. It's your time.
I'm taking the words. Wait
Yeah.
a second.
Start his time. 2 minutes.
No, just
Let's see what
When you make a claim, you should have the verse on your fingertips. You should know the verse.
he has to look at his notes.
1 second.
Forgets.
Start his time.
It started already, yeah? Your time. 1 minute,
No, it's not.
left.
Wait. Let me take the words, then you can start the time. Okay.
Now I knew I didn't want to debate. He doesn't. Like
This
the way
is
you
why these people don't want to debate. They know when faced with Muslims who study their faith,
1 minute, 10
they have
seconds left.
nothing but embarrassment. He doesn't even know science. He doesn't know philosophy. He doesn't know why he's ex-Muslim. He doesn't even know anything about Islam because he claimed the Quran says you can marry your child. I want that verse. The Quran saying you can marry your child. I want that verse now. Now.
30 seconds left.
Or apologize to all the Indian Muslims. All the Indian Muslims in India, you have been demonizing and dehumanizing. Apologize to them. Say, I'm sorry. Oh Muslims, I'm a fool, I'm an idiot, I'm a Zionist, that's why I'm an idiot. I'm sorry.
Okay, your time is up.
Yeah.
Adnan, your time now. You got it, yeah.
It's my time.
It's your time now.
It's
Your
my
is
time.
up. You have to.
Now my time. Clearly, ladies and
Like a
gentlemen,
Muslim, memorize it.
ladies and gentlemen, there is no verse in the Quran that says you can marry your child.
ChatGPT now.
No, guys, are you here to help me or are you here to cause problems? I hope he's not paying you.
Okay, don't help him. Let him find it. But
If
this
you,
is your time, Adnan.
if you make noise, you're helping him.
Adnan, it's your time.
Yeah.
So ask him
So,
another question.
ladies and gentlemen, he does not have this verse because this verse does not exist. We know the Quran. It's not there. These are liars. When they say they're ex-Muslim, they want money from the BJP government, they want money from the Zionists, and they want visits, tours to Israel so that they can be given platform to talk to ignorant fools, right? Now we are talking. Now we are talking. Show me the verse or you will apologize like a gentleman if you want. You're a kafir and not every kafir is fully evil, okay? There are kuffar who have principles. I hope you are one of those kuffar who has principles. Now my question is, if a person you cannot prove can sleep with his mother, then why would we follow what you are following? Why would we follow when you have no moral values to offer? When you have nothing to offer in return? You're saying you're ex-Muslim, I'm a kafir, I'm a proud Zionist, I'm a proud BJP, you're proud everything, but you're but proud Muslim. But proud Muslim. So now you want Muslims to follow your kufr because you're kuffar. At least offer something in return. Say, yeah, we have a moral standard, follow us. In our standard, it is haram to sleep with your mother.
1 more minute left.
Okay? But in your standard, it's not haram to sleep with your mother. Because you are atheists, agnostics, right? You have no objective moral values. No, I'm not talking to you. I'm not debating you. I'm not debating you. You have no objective values. He's gonna be looking for the verse all day. Okay.
No, I'm telling the time. 30 seconds more.
I want you to give us a moral standard that we can use to live a happy life. We are Muslims. We are claiming we have a moral standard. We are living happy lives. We have discipline. We have education. We have great CEOs, doctors, scientists, philosophers, kings,
That I know.
sultans. We have all sorts of people. Okay. You, on the other hand, what do you have to offer? What do you have to offer?
Okay, your
I
time's up.
want to know why sleeping with one's mother is wrong.
Yeah, it's your
Or
time.
why
Oh, you're still looking for it? Do you need help?
No, I will take it.
It's your time now.
Wait. It's his time now.
Wait a second.
So this is how you're going to debate, yeah? Online as well. Going to look on ChatGPT and stuff like that. Like a kid.
He hates ChatGPT. He hates ChatGPT.
I want all Indian Muslims. I want all Indian Muslims to spread this around India and expose these people, because Zionism makes you so evil that you become a liar and you become completely mindless. This guy standing here in front of multiple cameras, made a claim the Quran tells Muslims to marry their own children. I want the ayah. I want the verse right now. Or you apologize.
You got 1 more minute
You
left.
got it.
You got 1 more
He
minute.
got it. He got something. He's not sure.
Ask the IT team in India. Help support.
Ask Tel Aviv. Tel Aviv.
Sir,
Tell-
I'm Peter. I'm Peter. Help me. All right, come on, quick, guys. Come on.
No, ask Tel Aviv.
They came all the way India for this, like a failed mission. For me, it is very clear. These guys,
there is
they
a
ask
reason.
questions, but
There's
they
a
don't have
reason.
answers.
There's a reason why you only make noise online.
Yeah.
When faced with a Muslim
Face
who
to
knows
face.
his faith, you have nothing. You have nothing. You have nothing. You have nothing but embarrassment, like you are being